Alright, so there's been a lot of controversy over this. So, this Black Panther Christmas Super Special was $45 for a cordless power screwdriver set. So, here is the unit that comes in there. This is the most expensive part that's in here. So, being at 45, this crap right here is like 10 bucks. So then that makes this around 30. So then the controversy is, here's the Hyper Tough. This is $18. So what's the difference? These are two totally different things. Totally different. You have a switch here, a switch here, and you see that they have lights here. Totally different colors. Look at that. Totally, completely different colors. One is straight, one is an angle. So that's totally different. Like I said, one is straight and one is an angle. So they're two different things, not even close. You got your switches right here. You got your little LED light right there. Totally different. No. Oh, see? I thought I found something that was similar. See? Totally different. One is longer. I told you. I knew it. Look, this one, totally different. This one goes to a drill setting. Drill. See? Totally different. This goes to a max. This one goes to a drill setting. See? That one takes forever to get it out of that setting, where this one you just turn it. Oh, look it. Totally different. Look it. I told you. Look, I push here, no light comes on. These are just totally different things. Completely different units. They're charging ports. Again, totally different. So when you take the Hyper Tough plug-in one and stick it in there, charging. And when you stick it in this one, it doesn't charge it, see? Okay? And then when you take the stupid USB one that came with the Black Panther, you plug it in here. Okay, charging. Plug it in this one. Okay, not charging. Totally different things. Totally different. Look at that. Look at that. Totally different. Alright. You done? Okay. $45, $18. Okay? Alright? Who feels ripped off? Look at this light. Look at that. Look at that. That almost lights up that area over there. Well, actually, on through the camera, it looks like it is, but in person, that's like barely lit. Totally. Look, I can't even see my hand.